You press send. 1 second later, your friend got the message. Simple, right? Wrong. In that 1 second, your message got turned into secret code, cut into pieces, checked by a security guard, stored in a super fast waiting room, and rebuilt on your friend's phone. Nobody tells you this. Today, I will. And I promise, by the end of this video, you will never look at those two ticks the same way again. Let's go. Your message travels through 3 zones. Zone 1, your phone. Zone 2, WhatsApp's servers. Zone 3, your friend's phone. And here is the first thing that shocks people. Your phone and your friend's phone never talk directly to each other. Never. The message always goes to WhatsApp's server first. The server figures out what to do with it. Think of it like a post office. You don't drive the letter to your friend's house yourself. You hand it to the post office. They deliver it. WhatsApp's server is that post office. Step 1. Encrypt. The moment you press send, your phone locks the message. It takes "hey" and turns it into pure nonsense. Why? Because your message travels through many computers. If a hacker steals it, all they get is gibberish. But here's the surprise. Even WhatsApp's own servers cannot read your message. It is locked on your phone and only unlocks on your friend's phone. This is called end-to-end encryption. Step 2. SQLite. Before sending, your phone saves the message locally in a tiny database called SQLite. This is why you can read old chats with zero internet. Step 3. Divide. Your message gets cut into small pieces called packets. Each piece gets a number. They travel through the internet separately, like mailing 10 envelopes instead of one big box. Step 4. Load balancer. WhatsApp gets 100 billion messages every single day. That is over 1 million messages every second. The load balancer is like a traffic police officer. It looks at the servers and says, "This one is least busy. Go there." That is why WhatsApp never crashes. Step 5. Chat gateway. Your message enters the server through one single door, the chat gateway. Step 6. Authentication. Right after the door, a security guard. The server asks, "Are you really who you say you are?" Your phone carries a secret invisible badge. Valid badge, you go through. Fake badge, blocked. Step 7. First tick. The server received your message. It sends a tiny confirmation back to your phone, and on your screen, one gray tick appears. One tick means one thing only. The server has your message, not your friend, not delivered, just the server.